Welcome back, and thank you so much for staying with us.
Now, in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a couple on a mission to promote financial literacy among students and others for free. With that story, here's Kayan Morgan.
Nipping financial illiteracy in the bud. That's the aim of this husband and wife duo who are using their financial knowledge to educate others. Co-founders of Learn, Invest, Grow Limited, Renee and Jermaine McDonald, says it all started in 2017 on WhatsApp.
A lot of persons felt a little intimidated by investing, and so did we. We didn't know much about it. And in our quest to learn more about investing, we said, hey, why not share it with other people? So we started building community. We started sharing with others through social media, YouTube, etc. And it kind of grew from there.
And with a passion for serving others, the couple started offering free classes in areas like money management, investing, and entrepreneurship in a bid to promote financial education and literacy among Jamaicans.
We believe that everybody has the right, the ability to produce wealth. And we found that way too many of us are just afraid or not knowledgeable enough to pursue what it is that the Lord really intends for us.
And for the two, it was important to start from the grassroots.
There's a lot of persons on social media have said, boy, I wish we had learned about money in school. And that kind of brought to our attention the need for it to be in schools. So we said, okay, let us offer it to schools. And we did. We've spoken with students as young as grade 6. We've gone to high schools. So we found that it was so important to bring that conversation to them so that they don't have to go through the same mistakes that we went through as we were learning about money.
The McDonalds say they attempt to impact at least 2 schools per month. The overall objective, to transform a generation.
We're thinking 100 years from now. So we won't be here, but hopefully there'll be a legacy of financial education in schools, in homes, in clubs, in communities.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kayan Morgan.